2021. Here's Kalastajanmäki, Iskaibaken 7 staircase B. Here and oh, it's blinking.
Yeah.
That's weird. This is in Matinkylä, Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Finland. And the capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams. But this is a bit slower.
Yeah.
It's Valmet Otis. Series 1 pictures, built in 1987, turning 35 years old in the next year, 2022. And it will be inspected again. And the serial number is B10047 with 7 floors. But for some reason the floor P is this, like this.
Yeah.
It's weird. Bit too slow, maybe 1 run would be enough.
Yeah.
Because we don't have time now.
Yeah. Inspected by QA inspector, maintained by Otis, or now describe this.
The light gets brighter when you press it, so
Yeah.
it's not broken, it's just
Yeah, it's
lighting too much.
it means same than green button, but I have also seen it before in Otis Series 1 elevator.
Ah, okay, then there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, because
it's just rare.
I haven't seen this picture actually, I'm not sure. Maybe I haven't seen it.
That's
That's it, thank you.